Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not a new hair installing video, but I walk you through the steps of washing and retaping an older hair system. As you already know, I remove my hair system daily and I wash the hair system about every 5 to 7 days. And if you leave the tape longer, it tends to be very sticky, melt, and very difficult to wash it off. And my little trick here is to use makeup remover pads. The hair that I'm using today is the product Quantum from Lordhair. Alright, after washing and towel drying the hair, I'm gonna apply the tape around the system, just as you can see in the video. Okay, tape is on, time to install and style the hair. Thank you very much. I hope this video can be helpful.